Top 5 Best Tea Kettles. Number 1. Kettles Electric Glass Water Kettle, Ascot Heater and Hot Water Boiler, 1.7 quarts, 1500 W, stainless steel, BPA-free, cordless, automatic shut-off, boil-dry protection. Fast boiling electric kettle, boil a full 1.7 quarts/10 cups in only 3 to 4 minutes. Super convenient for making coffee, tea, cocoa, or instant soup. Number 2. Le Creuset Q9213-67 Enamel-on-Steel Zen Tea Kettle, 1-2/3 quart, Cerise. Contemporary Zen Whistling Tea Kettle holds 1-5/8 quarts, made of enamel-on-steel for durable yet lightweight construction, arched, Asian-style handle. Spout flips open for pouring. Number 3. All-Clad E86199 Stainless Steel Tea Kettle, 2 quart, silver. Premium quality, All-Clad Stainless Steel Tea Kettle combines quality and durable craftsmanship for reliable performance, pure materials, constructed from high-polished 18/10 stainless steel. Dishwasher safe, quick boiling, features an aluminum encapsulated base and tight-fitting lid to help boil water more quickly. Number 4. KitchenAid KTN20CBWH 2.0 quart kettle with C-handle and trim band, white. Removable lid, thumb press spout, C-handle with comfortable grip. Number 5. Pykal Whistling Tea Kettle with iCool, handle, surgical stainless steel teapot for all setups, 2 free infusers included, 3 quart. iCool handle whistling tea kettle for safety. Full video below. Push button mechanism for ease, featuring the latest thermal protection technology, the handle cools down in a few seconds after turning stovetop off. You don't need to touch any hot metal part thanks to the ergonomic. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.